Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, I welcome this bill. Stop. This is a bill which was long overdue, and I am happy that the Home Minister thought it fit to bring forward here. Stop. Era. Sir, there is one small aspect which I want to mention. Stop. This means to be something like a miniature zonal council. Stop. Before this was thought of, the zonal council was functioning and doing the job of this northeastern council, but now this will intensify the attention of all the members in that area, and the people residing round about that area would be given proper attention, and remedies will be sought for their problems. Stop. In that respect, I think this is very good bill, and it will be useful to the northeastern frontier area. Stop. Era. Sir, so far as the functions and the composition of the council are concerned, I have got certain misgivings. Stop. So far as the composition of the council is concerned, I need not read out the whole thing, but there is a proviso to the effect that if the government of Nagaland expresses desire to be represented on the council, it would always be welcome to join the council. Stop. Before introducing this bill, I think the Home Minister should have realized that the Nagaland people by nature are very sensitive, and their approach to the problems is very conservative. Stop. Now, if we see the proviso, it gives the impression that they are a second rate member of this council. Stop. Era. Sir, Nagaland is placed in a very vulnerable part of our country, and if these people's cooperation is not sought by giving them a prominent place on the council, they would always be having a suspicion in their minds about our dealings with them. Stop. Therefore, I thought instead of putting a proviso, they should have been given pakka membership there. Stop. Otherwise, they would be feeling that they are only second rate citizens, and even their membership is also second rate membership. Stop. They could therefore have done something by which they could have gained their confidence. Stop. We all know that the people who feel somewhat neglected and uncared for. Stop. If they are given some prominence, they feel happy about it, and they come forward and move with the other people socially and otherwise. Stop. Similarly, they could have been given some prominent place on this council itself, and they would have certainly expressed their desire to be there, and even now, if they are given some prominent place on the council, they will soon join and make their presence felt, and they will cooperate with the council to their benefit. Stop. Era. In so far as these advisors are concerned, the Home Minister was pleased to say that the representatives of the Planning Commission and the Finance Ministry would also be on this council, and they will cooperate with this council, and they will always act like a watchdog in the affairs of the council. Stop. Sir, this being a vulnerable place. Stop. I would like a person from the Defense Ministry also to be put in there. Stop.